Imagine relaxing outside with a cup of coffee or hosting friends for drinks on a warm evening, all made more perfect with the right patio furniture. Today on Tech Goods, we're diving into the Sand Stable Calhoun Acacia 4-person patio conversation set with cushions. It promises a resort-style vibe with practical features like solid acacia wood construction, weather-ready cushions, and coastal design. But does it live up to the hype in real-world use? In this 20-minute review, I'll walk you through everything from unboxing and build quality to comfort, user reviews, and long-term value, so you'll know if this set deserves a place on your patio. Welcome to Tech Goods, your destination for detailed reviews and real-world insights on tech, lifestyle products, and home essentials. I'm Jack, and every week I bring you smart product breakdowns so you can buy with confidence and upgrade your living spaces with gear that actually delivers. If that sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. Let's start with what you're actually getting in this 4-piece conversation set. Inside the box, you'll find one 2-person Loveseat, 2 standalone armchairs, 1 rectangular coffee table, and a total of 6 cushions, 3 seat cushions, and 3 back cushions. The frames are all made from solid acacia wood, finished in an organic brown tone that showcases the wood's natural grain. The polyester cushion covers are removable and have zipper closures, making them easy to clean. Each cushion also ties to the frame to prevent slipping. Altogether, it's a complete setup meant to bring both comfort and visual appeal to your outdoor space. Unboxing this set is actually a pleasant experience. It arrives in multiple clearly labeled boxes, and everything inside is well packed with protective wrap to avoid scratches during shipping. Right away, you'll notice the natural grain of the acacia wood, rich, earthy, and smooth to the touch. The color is warm and neutral, which blends well with most outdoor decor styles. The cushions come vacuum sealed but fluff up nicely once opened, and the blue tone is vibrant without being overly bright. Overall, the unboxing gives a strong first impression, suggesting that this isn't your average big box patio set. Assembly is where a lot of people get frustrated with outdoor furniture, but that's not the case here. All parts are pre-drilled, the instructions are clear, and the included Allen key is all you need to put the pieces together. It took me about an hour to assemble everything by myself, and nothing felt overly complicated or poorly aligned. One quick note, don't miss the Loveseat instructions as they're printed on the last page of the manual. Once built, the pieces feel sturdy and well-balanced, and attaching the cushions is as simple as tying them in place. One of the standout features of this set is its construction. Acacia wood is known for its density, resistance to moisture, and long-term durability when used outdoors. The finish here is smooth with just enough of a natural sheen to protect it without making it look glossy or artificial. The joints are tight, the legs feel stable, and the coffee table has a slatted design that allows water to drain easily. All in all, it doesn't feel like budget furniture. It feels like something you'd expect to pay more for, especially when you factor in the quality of the hardware and materials used. Cushions are usually where cheaper patio sets cut corners, but here they hold up well. The seat cushions are thick and supportive, providing a firm but comfortable feel for lounging or sitting upright. The back cushions are a bit thinner but still offer a decent level of support. The covers are made from polyester, which is breathable enough for warm weather and easy to spot clean or remove entirely when needed. They're attached via ties, so they stay in place even with movement, and the zippers make it easy to take the covers off for cleaning. Comfort-wise, this set is surprisingly relaxing, even after a couple of hours outdoors. From a style perspective, this set really nails the coastal modern aesthetic. The natural wood tone pairs beautifully with the navy blue cushions, offering a timeless look that works well with just about any exterior color palette. Whether your outdoor space is a city balcony, a suburban deck, or a backyard patio, the clean lines and simple silhouette give off a casual yet refined vibe. The coffee table sits low, which creates an open, lounge-like feel, and the overall footprint of the set is compact without feeling cramped. Over a few weeks of use, I left the set out in light rain and full sun to test its resistance to the elements. The cushions dried fairly quickly, though they are not waterproof, so if you expect heavy rain, I recommend storing them. The wood itself held up beautifully with no signs of swelling or discoloration. That said, to maintain its natural look, you'll want to apply an acacia wood oil once or twice a year. The set didn't show any rust or instability, and the cushions stayed vibrant and secure. So while it's not maintenance-free, it's low maintenance, and that's a win for most homeowners. Looking at feedback from other buyers, the set has generally positive reviews. One user said, "Very pretty, I love it. The blue is beautiful." Another noted, "Easy to assemble, the colors are vibrant and very comfortable seating." I've received compliments from neighbors. These echo what I found. great aesthetics, straightforward assembly, and strong comfort. Most of the concerns center on the cushions needing to be protected from rain, which is a fair point. Overall, the community response supports the idea that this set is a solid buy, especially for its price range. There are several things to like about this patio set. First, the use of real acacia wood adds both durability and visual appeal. The easy assembly is a major plus, especially for those who aren't used to building furniture. The cushions are comfortable, removable, and machine washable, which makes maintenance easy. The compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller spaces, and the design brings a modern, coastal charm that's hard to beat at this price point. As for drawbacks, the cushions can get wet during rain and take time to dry, so they're best stored in a cushion box when not in use. The polyester fabric is fine, but may fade over time compared to high-end materials like Sunbrella. You'll also need to re-oil the wood every season to keep it looking its best. Lastly, while it's sturdy, the set has a weight limit of around 275 pounds per seat, which may not be ideal for heavier users or commercial setups. Retailing around $700, this set offers excellent value for what you're getting. Solid wood construction, 6 included cushions, and a complete 4-piece arrangement make this a solid mid-tier investment. On sale, you can sometimes find it closer to $600, which is an even better deal. Compared to more expensive sets made from teak or powder-coated aluminum, this set holds its own in both quality and comfort, making it a smart pick for homeowners who want a designer look without the high-end price tag. To extend the life of this set, here are a few tips. Wipe the wood clean once a month and reapply acacia oil annually. Store the cushions during heavy weather or invest in waterproof covers. Rotate cushions occasionally to prevent wear and clean spills immediately to avoid staining. With this routine, you can keep the set looking fresh for multiple seasons and avoid the early wear and tear that plagues lower-end outdoor furniture. The Sand Stable Calhoun Acacia 4-person patio set offers a rare combination of style, comfort, and quality at a fair price. Whether you're building out a backyard oasis or upgrading your balcony, this set delivers where it counts. The real wood construction, attractive design, and easy care cushions make it a smart buy for anyone who wants to blend practicality with visual impact. While it does require a bit of seasonal maintenance, the overall experience is impressive, earning this set a clear spot on Tech Goods' recommended list. Thanks for tuning in to this full review on Tech Goods. If you enjoyed this breakdown or found it helpful, give this video a like and drop your thoughts in the comments. Are you picking up this patio set, or do you have another favorite? I'd love to hear what's working for your outdoor space. And don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on reviews and product advice to help you upgrade smarter. Until next time, enjoy your space and keep living the good life, one product at a time.